We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So you guys have been asking for it, and this is long overdue, to be honest.
We got 104 likes.
Yeah, we got 100. No, I think it was more than that.
It's more than that now.
It's more than that now.
But when it was pointed out to us, it was 104 likes.
Yeah, so kudos to you guys, and now we get to race officially the WRX versus the Mustang. And like I said, this has been long overdue because we've been saying that we were going to do this for a long time, but I think the reason that we never got around to it was because your car, well actually my car, I was doing a lot more performance mods to my car, and I think we just figured we kind of already knew what the results were going to be.
Yeah, Kevin's running with the new tune about 300 wheel. Mine makes 300 crank. So I think from what I've seen, it's probably making about 270 to the wheels. And mine's only rear wheel drive, his is all wheel drive. So we're gonna try it. I mean, on paper,
yeah,
he should totally, like the dig, he should get me, and then
one from a dig. We'll do one, because look, we don't want to like overdo this, and we're in like a very secluded area where there's really nobody except that. But you know, there's nobody else out here just driving around. So, all right, so you ready to get into this, Jordan?
Yeah, dude.
All right, let's line up and do this thing. We'll do the 40 roller right here. I'll be in second gear. You want to honk?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't, I was like barely hanging. All right, 3, 2, 1. satisfied with that one. That was crazy. We'll talk about the results because I'm a little astonished. We'll talk about the results when we get back to Jordan's house, and we can go over what the heck happened.
All right, we've returned.
Wow.
From Mexico.
Wow, that's all I can say. You have a short throw shifter,
I do.
and you have longer gears.
For the rolls, the first time I pulled away pretty easily, and then the second time I think I still pulled away from you, but like you were closer.
Yeah, I kind of held my ground on
like
that one.
like a front fender.
Yeah.
In front of you.
And I was sticking with you. We weren't really
Yeah.
pulling away from each other at that point.
But then on the digs, you just took off with that all-wheel drive. And I spun and
Because like when I was so we were doing 40-mile-an-hour rolls, and I was in second gear. What gear were you in?
I was in second.
Second. What was your RPM?
I was a 3.
Okay, so he was at 3. I was at 4, which goes to show that he has way longer gears and he has many more. What's your red line at?
6, I think 65.
Okay, it's about the same as mine. I was at 4.5 starting in second gear, and then blowing through 4.5 to 5.5, just about 6, where my car dies off. I go through that pretty quick, so I'm already trying to shift into third, and then you're like still halfway through your second gear. So, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It was good.
We're good.
You want to fight, dude? If you think you're
dude.
faster than me,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
dude.
go. We'll
Build
take this
off.
on the.
We did it. Hope you guys enjoyed.
We're never finished.
We will see you in the next one.